Roger, we'll check 1730 Alpha Golf. Okay, with 3380, would you like to land 28 left and be the first one?
That would be really cool, but we're doing some training today, so we gotta stick with the right side.
Roger. Okay, 5318, cross 28 left, contact ground.
Cross 28 left, contact ground, go with 5318.
Oscar 1132, change of runway, now expect a visual approach 28 left via the ILS.
All right, guess it's open for the, going to the left, last 1132.
Yes, you're going to be the first one, it's just open.
All right, we'll try not to screw it up.
Preferably.
Up 37?
Yeah, I apologize for that. We have down here. Yeah, we know
We just got off the phone with the TRACON, and apparently everybody that's airborne is flabbergasted that the runway's even open, and they are not prepared to land on it. So it might be a while. I'm going to see if I can talk somebody into it here in a minute.
I'll offer a cookie.
I stand corrected. It looks like they're doing it. We've got somebody turning base out there, 15-mile final. It's in Alaska. Okay, 2248, contact NorCal.
1 NorCal, 2248, take care, good luck. ILS 1132, visual 28 left.
That's 1132, San Francisco Tower, 131011, runway 28 left, clear to land. You're the first arrival in the last 6 months on this runway.
Oh, excellent. I cleared land 28 left, last 1132. There be champagne?
Someone promised cookies, so I don't know, you might have to hunt them down.
Thanks.